All right. We're gonna go ride the elevators here at Macy's. Oh, I like that bell.
These were original Otis, but modernized by Kone, I think.
I remember these being Otis.
These have older Series 1 fixtures.
Oh yeah, I sure remember that.
Let's go down to B2. Now that is a nice chime.
Oh yeah. Oh, you can park up here?
Yep, this is the roof level.
Oh, that is so cool.
Here.
Let's do a cab view. Yeah.
We've got Hanny elevator times in the background.
I have Alex, who is Gluse.
Hi there.
Hello.
Let's go back up to 1. These are newer innovation buttons.
Oh yeah. Take a look at these. When were these modernized? Like,
I think some point some point in November, I think, or some point in late October.
I see. All right, and that'll conclude the video.